LIC's Jeevan Umang plan, a gift for lifetime. My father enjoyed an interest rate regime of 9.5% plus throughout his life in the secured and fixed investment segment, mainly in bank FDs and RDs and similar investments in post and government bonds. We have witnessed an interest regime of around 7 to 8% mostly over the last 20 years in similar guaranteed instruments. Though now the rates have plummeted to less than 6% and concerning part is we have no idea what is going to be in next 10 to 15 years. What are the kind of returns my children will witness after 15 years? Maybe 2%? We really can't guarantee that too. The question is there anything I can do to ensure a decent return for them investing now? Yes, Jeevan Umang plan does the same for you. It provides the solution by guarantee of paying 8% of sum assured over lifetime, and yes, it's guaranteed. You may leave uncertainty behind and move towards promised guaranteed tax-free returns for lifetimes on your ward. For example, on a policy on a child age 5, as he reaches age 30 onward, he will have a guaranteed tax-free cash flow each year which will never diminish. Not only that, it will provide an attractive corpus accumulation over the premium paying years and will continue to appropriate up to age 100 by participating bonuses allocated by the corporation. Say, if your ward is 5-year-old now and invests 1 lakh rupees per month for this cause for 25 years, at the end of 25 years, it will accumulate a corpus of 9.22 crores as per prevailing rates and continue to appreciate over its lifetime. Meanwhile, he will also get rupees 2 lakh per month or 24 lakhs yearly for rest of his life, guaranteed and tax-free. The total expected accumulation up to age 100 is 39.22 crores. Option to exit with 90% of accumulation amount anytime during the course of the policy. Moreover, this plan still continues for proportionate benefits if the customer fails to pay further premium anytime after accumulating the paid up value. If we see for this particular example, the IRR worked out to be 6.7% for next net tax-free returns. To generate the same net returns for a taxable instrument after interpolation works out to be 9.5% for a client who falls into 30% of tax slab. This is a must-have planning for a financial secured life of our children. Convert uncertainty with guaranteed returns for life. Move from uncertainty to, may say, a guaranteed peace lifetime. Hurry up! For further details and detailed presentation, please call upon your agent urgently.